Everyone knows that coasters are designed to keep surfaces clean, and not just from glassware. That's why WeatherTech offers coasters in sizes ranging from 4 inches to 24 inches, made to protect the surfaces of your home from almost any mess. Let's take a closer look. These coasters can be used for everything from plant mats to project mats to home surface protectors and more. Meaning you can keep almost any surface in your home clean and organized. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in America by WeatherTech, every coaster size features a raised outer lip made to keep spills and leaks away from surfaces. These heat-resistant, impact-resistant, and anti-slip coasters are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. If you're looking to catch everything from condensation to loose project pieces, look no further than WeatherTech's coasters.